Hello! Ako si Harry, si Carol. Welcome kayo dito sa The Six Wash and Chill. Una sa lahat, maraming salamat kay Team
Channel.
Yeah! Invite namin kayo sa grand opening. Open na? Inopen pa talaga. The Six Wash and Chill. August 31, 2023. September 1, 2, and 3. Yan. Sa August 31, may kasama tayong DJ. Sa September 1, kasama natin ang The High School Boys para sa New Wave Night, 80s Night. Every Friday yan dito sa The Six. And Saturday, syempre kasama natin ang THOP. And Sunday, kasama natin si Kuya Jess. Yan. So, ang entertainment natin ay 9 p.m. to 2 a.m. na. Yeah! Okay. Pasyalan nyo yung aming mga masarap na pwesto dito tulad ng Saborito, Phil Mexican, ang Dichago, Anli Sanggipsal, at ang Persian Kebab and Seductive Wings. And abangan nyo pa yung mga susunod na pwesto dito tulad ng Lying In. Ay, hindi. Sorry, joke lang. Meron pa kaming inaantay ng mga pwesto dito. Thai food, Chinese food, Japanese food. Meron pa kaming isang bakante, baka type nyo, Chong. So, meron pang nagpaplanong maglagay ng billiard at saka dart, saka basketball court. Yan. And yung car wash natin, magkakaroon, start na ulit siya ng September 1, 2023. This year din, doon na siya sa Bukana. Or dito, kasya ang tatlong sasakyan. Wigo. Joke lang, September 1 yan. So, yan. Kita-kits sa The Six Wash and Chill para sa in-open pa talaga, grand opening. Thank you.
Yes, thank you.
You gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and repel any hate, go create what you want, feel compelled, yeah. And once you finally get a taste of the race, you'll never look back once you felt that. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus.
Hola! Welcome to Saborito Cafe. Located kami dito sa The Six, Pagsanghan. Marami kaming ino-offer na menu. Meron kaming Filipino and Mexican food. Meron kaming mga birria, quesadilla, cheese flauta, chicken flauta, and many more. Meron din kaming Boodle Fight, Filipino food, tapsi. Marami po kayong pagpipilian katulad ng lechon kawali, tapsilog, tosilog, lahat po ng klaseng silog meron po kami. And of course, coffee. Meron po kaming cappuccino, latte, brewed coffee. Meron din po kami mga shake. At sana po ay invite namin kayo na makapunta dito sa The Six.
Think about others way before myself, yeah. I guess that's why I feel like I go through hell, damn. Wasting time on your dreams instead of mine, yeah.
Welcome to Persian Kebab. I'm Chef Jennerson. Ayan. Dito po tayo sa The Six po. Dito po located yung aming Persian Kebab. Ang best seller po namin dito, ang sinaserve po namin ay chicken biryani, kebab chicken, and kebab beef. Meron din po kaming Ali Wings sa mga gusto po mag-Ali Wings. Available din po siya from 4 p.m. to 12 onwards po. Kaya guys, tara na dito sa Seductive Wings and Persian Kebab. Ayan.
Yeah. love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank.